Your Royal Highnesses, fellow Secretary-General of the GCC countries, ladies and gentlemen, distinguished guests, and esteemed colleagues. It is a profound honour for me to address you today at the 14th Annual Gulf Research Meeting here in Cambridge. In an era marked by unprecedented challenges and rapid global transformations, the imperative for robust international cooperation stands unequivocally clear. As we gather in this distinguished forum, we are reminded of the pivotal role that international organizations play in sculpting a cooperative global future. The Commonwealth, an emblem of unity and collaboration, has persistently been at the vanguard of addressing multifaceted global challenges, from peace and security to sustainable development. With 56 member states and a population exceeding 2.7 billion, 60% of whom are under the age of 30. The Commonwealth epitomizes the power of collective effort and shared values. For 75 years, our organization has been dedicated to fostering sustainable development, bolstering economic resilience, and ensuring environmental stewardship across our diverse membership. The Commonwealth's journey is a testament to the strength derived from unity and the shared commitment to advancing the common good. Recognizing the boundless potential of space technology, we embarked on a transformative journey with initiatives like the Common Sensing Programme in 2019. This pioneering programme leverages satellite data to enhance climate resilience and disaster risk management in small island developing states by providing critical information and technical support. Common Sensing empowers nations to make informed decisions that derive and drive their sustainable development. And this initiative is a sterling example of how cutting-edge technology can be harnessed to address pressing global issues. Our commitment to the sustainable use of ocean resources is embodied in the Commonwealth Blue Charter. This visionary initiative unites member countries in a concerted effort to tackle marine pollution, protect coastal ecosystems, and promote sustainable fishing practices. And through collaborative action and shared responsibility, we strive to preserve the health of our oceans, recognizing their crucial role in well-being of our planet and the prosperity of our communities. In the realm of climate action, Common Earth Initiative stands as a testament to our unwavering dedication to environmental sustainability. This programme advocates for nature-based solutions to combat climate change, promoting reforestation, sustainable agriculture, and biodiversity conservation. By harnessing the inherent power of nature, we aim to create a more resilient and sustainable world, ensuring that the future generations inherit a planet capable of sustaining life in all its diversity. The Living Lands Initiative further underscores our commitment to sustainable land management by supporting projects that combat desertification, restore degraded lands, and promote sustainable land use practices. We endeavour to enhance food security and livelihoods whilst safeguarding our precious natural resources. This initiative represents our holistic approach to sustainability, recognising the interdependence of ecological health and human well-being. Our Clean Ocean initiative addresses the critical issue of marine plastic pollution with resolute determination. Through this programme, we collaborate with member states to reduce plastic waste, promoting recycling, and implement stringent policies to protect our marine environments. Clean oceans are not only vital for the ecological balance of our planet, but are also essential for the economic and social prosperity of our communities. We have also created the Climate Finance Access Hub to build the capacity of our small states in particular, and those who are vulnerable, and have transformed a minute investment of $8.5 million into $360 million worth of vital support for adaptation and mitigation projects which really benefit all of our members. So looking to the future, our Common Space initiative epitomizes our forward-looking approach to sustainability. This initiative program explores the potential of space technology to address global challenges, from climate monitoring to disaster management. By promoting sustainability in space, we aim to harness the immense benefits of space technology for the advancement of all humanity. Common Space represents our commitment to pushing the boundaries of innovation and exploring new frontiers in our quest for sustainable development. The Commonwealth's collective efforts towards sustainability through these diverse projects are a testament to our unwavering commitment to addressing global challenges. Our initiatives are not merely projects. They are the embodiments of our vision for a future where nations work together in harmony, leveraging their collective strengths to create a better world. As we navigate the complexities of the 21st century, the role of international organizations in conflict resolution and the promotion of peace and security becomes ever more critical. The Commonwealth has long been an advocate for mediation, dialogue, and consensus building. Our approach to conflict resolution is rooted in our commitment to diplomacy and practical, actionable solutions. By fostering dialogue and understanding, we aim to de-escalate tensions and building lasting peace. The GCC countries, with their strategic importance and visionary approaches to development, are well positioned to benefit from and contribute to the wealth of knowledge and experience within our Commonwealth. By engaging in fruitful collaboration, the GCC can enhance its efforts in sustainable development. The Commonwealth of Nations stands ready to share its insights and support the GCC in navigating its development path. In conclusion, the path to a cooperative global future lies in our ability to work together. share knowledge, and support each other in addressing common challenges. The Commonwealth, with its rich legacy of unity and cooperation, extends its hand in partnership to the GCC and all other international organizations. Together, we can build a more sustainable, more peaceful, and more prosperous world for all, if we choose. In closing, I want to take this opportunity, if I may, to thank Professor Manahel Tabbat, who has been appointed as my special envoy for science and technology. She's been hailed and identified by the British science community as the new Newton of our generation and is closely connected to this university in Cambridge. She is a quantum mathematician par excellence, but she's also a daughter of your soil, the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. And I want to thank her for her invaluable contribution to the Commonwealth. She has been instrumental in providing us with more than 10,000 pages of data, vital data analysis in the SDGs, in digital, in green economy, and in AI. That data is the cornerstone which we will use to build peace, to build security, and to better understand the challenges we face. And this really will be the bedrock which we will craft the solutions for the future. She is the reason I am here, and I'm sure you will want to join me in thanking her as I now thank all of you for inviting me.